Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first DIY video. I'm very excited, and I just wanted to show you guys how I took this old storage unit and I turned it into this beautiful 24 karat metallic gold unit. So if you would like to see how I achieved this, please continue to watch. So the first step you want to do is you want to take all the drawers out of this unit, and you want to get a clean rag or an old rag, something that doesn't have a lot of lint collection. And you want to spray this unit down with some mild soapy water mix, and you want to get any lint or any debris that's on your unit. If it's a new unit, you still want to wipe it down because you don't want any dust particles to be on your unit when you're going to start the spraying process. Now the spray that I did use, I'll plug a picture in. It is a 2-time coverage paint and primer, and it does stick to wood, plastic, and any other surfaces. This paint amazed me. So what I did is I took this unit outside into a well-ventilated area, and I started to spray. As you can see, this is the back of the unit, and I did get a little bit of dripping, which is okay because this will be facing a wall. So it's all trial and error. It's my first DIY, but I would suggest that you don't spray as close as I did. You definitely want to follow the instructions to the T when it comes to this spray. So also with this spray, it does suggest that you spray it, let it sit for an hour, and then do a second coat. Once you do that second coat, you will notice how much this really pops. So all in all, I would say this took about 2.5 hours because I sprayed, let it sit for an hour, and then I sprayed it again, let it sit for an hour and a half, and then I brought it inside because it was dry to the touch, and I let it dry for an additional 24 hours. Then I replaced all the drawers back in it and I used it. And so this is my end result. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to see more DIYs, please make sure to comment below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell for notifications for my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.